The plasma rifle hummed in Kara Locke's hands as she faced her students, their eyes filled with the mix of arrogance and uncertainty. "Out there," she said, nodding toward the Martian wastelands beyond the dome, "your enemy won't care how confident you are. They'll only care how fast you adapt, because the slow ones don't get a second chance." Many people assume that confidence alone is enough to succeed, but true mastery requires discipline, continuous learning, and practical experience. Confidence without mastery can lead to reckless decisions, while mastery naturally builds confidence through competence. In high-stakes situations, whether in combat, business, or personal growth, those who rely solely on belief in themselves without refining their skills often find themselves unprepared when faced with real challenges. Mastery is achieved through deliberate practice, understanding, and the ability to adapt. In the context of advanced weaponry, for example, a soldier may feel self-assured handling a firearm, but falter when introduced to plasma-based weapons due to their unique physics. This is because confidence is often rooted in past experiences, whereas mastery is the result of deep, hands-on engagement with a subject. Those who dedicate time to truly learning a skill, understanding the nuances, mechanics, and potential failures, are far better equipped to handle unpredictable situations. A key aspect of mastery is humility. Experts in any field recognize that there is always more to learn. They remain open to feedback, seek new techniques, and acknowledge their limitations. Overconfidence, on the other hand, leads to stagnation. It creates a false sense of security that can be dangerous in rapidly evolving environments. When facing real-world challenges, those who have invested in mastery rather than blind confidence will not only perform better, but also remain calm under pressure. They understand the intricacies of their craft, allowing them to make informed decisions rather than acting impulsively. True mastery is about preparation, adaptability, and continuous improvement. Confidence may help you take the first step, but it is mastery that ensures you can walk the entire journey successfully. In any field, from combat to business to everyday life, the ability to adapt is often the difference between success and failure. The world is unpredictable, and no amount of preparation can account for every possible scenario. Those who rely solely on rigid plans or fixed strategies often struggle when things don't go as expected. The most successful individuals are those who embrace change, adjust quickly, and remain composed under pressure. Adaptability begins with awareness. In a high-stakes environment, such as a battlefield or a fast-moving industry, recognizing shifts in circumstances is crucial. A skilled marksman, for example, might be able to hit a stationary target with precision, but in a real combat scenario, enemies move unpredictably, terrain changes, and environmental factors come into play. Similarly, in business, a company that refuses to evolve with technology or consumer demands risks becoming obsolete. Those who anticipate change and modify their approach accordingly will always have an advantage. Another key aspect of adaptability is resilience. Change often brings discomfort and uncertainty, but those who train themselves to stay flexible and problem-solve in real time can turn challenges into opportunities. Instead of resisting unpredictability, they learn to work with it, using it to their advantage. An adaptable mindset allows a person to remain effective even when things don't go according to plan. The world is constantly evolving, and unexpected challenges are inevitable. Whether it's new technology, shifting market trends, or unforeseen obstacles in a mission, those who embrace unpredictability and adjust their strategies accordingly will thrive. While preparation is essential, the ability to modify plans, think on one's feet, and stay calm in the face of the unknown is what separates true professionals from those who simply hope for the best.